So we are doing this directly on our server. Now I'm logged into here on my demo. I'm logged in directly to my domain controller. Now I'm doing this on a different domain controller. We've got a few domain controllers running Windows Server 2019. Other ones running here in an earlier version of Windows Server, but the process is the same regardless of, even if you're running a 2008 domain controller or if you're running a 2019 domain controller, the process is the same. So I'm running a couple of commands over the next two videos. We're going to focus on one of them right now. We're doing it directly from our server. Now, what I would recommend, a couple of things. You first go to the problem machine. You've got a computer out on your network, a server out on your network that is having issues with with group policies, and you now need to figure out what is going on. So you want to log into that person's computer and run this particular command. Now the command is, we're going to open up our command prompt right in here, and we're going to type in a command, rsop. All right, rsop, and open this up. This is going to open up this MMC portal. Okay, let's just wait for it to do its thing. And here it is. What that has just done is that has gone into your back end on your computer, on the server, wherever you are troubleshooting, and is now brought up a list very similar to when you are actually creating or editing an existing group policy. But now you can see right from here whether a group policy has been applied or not. All right, so let's just go and expand some of this stuff. All right, well, there you go. Straight away, we've identified if I expand software settings, there's nothing there. That means that this particular computer has not had any software settings under the computer configuration applied to it. There are no group policies in that category applied, but Windows settings is there. Security settings. Oh, there we go. Let's expand some of this. Here we go. Look at this. There's a few here. Let's make this full screen. There we go. There's some in there. I think that should be it. All right. So Windows settings, security settings, account policies. All right. We're going to go into password policies. So password policies has been applied because I can actually see it within this rsop window. The resultant set of policy. I can see exactly all of these policies that have been applied. So you've already got some confidence that this is actually applied against your group, against your server, against your computer via group policies. Count lockout policy, here is what is going on. Okay, local policies, here it is. So order policy, well, none of these are defined. All right, you can see straight away, that one's enabled. These ones are enabled, all right? That one's disabled. So right from here, this is the perfect spot because you can go right into each individual computer and see exactly what group policy has been applied. And this is nice because it is a nice graphical user interface, and you can see a full set of results against the policies that are applied against that computer.